Your Michigan crash was a while back, and you're wondering if you've run out of time. Here are the numbers. You have 1 year to apply for your no-fault medical benefits from your own insurer, and 3 years to sue the at-fault driver. There's also a 1-year deadline for a small car damage claim. They run separately, and the one that quietly ruins cases is that 1-year benefits deadline. 3 deadlines, all starting the day of the crash. First, 1 year to apply for PIP, your own no-fault coverage that pays your medical bills and lost wages. Second, 3 years to file a lawsuit against the driver who hit you for pain and suffering. Third, 1 year for the mini-tort, the claim for your vehicle damage, capped at $3,000. Different clocks, different lengths, no single deadline to remember. Of the 3, the 1-year PIP deadline is the most missed and the most costly. In Michigan, your own PIP is the primary payer of your medical bills. Blow that 1-year window to apply, and your insurer can deny your medical coverage, your wage loss, all of it. People miss it because they assume, like in a fault state, that the other driver's insurance will take care of things. It won't, and by the time they realize it, the year is often gone. There's a subtler trap layered on top. Even if you file on time, Michigan has a 1-year back rule. You generally can't recover benefits for expenses that piled up more than a year before you actually brought the claim. So dragging your feet, even within the deadlines, can quietly erase older bills one at a time. Sooner is genuinely better, not just safer. And don't assume the clock waits for you. These deadlines run from the date of the crash, not from when you finally figured out how hurt you were. There are narrow exceptions for minors or people with a legal disability, but they're limited and fact-specific. The safe assumption is that the clock started the day of the accident and it hasn't paused for anyone. So, 1 year to claim your no-fault benefits, 3 years to sue the at-fault driver, 1 year for the car damage mini-tort. The 1-year benefits deadline is the one that guts cases. The 1-year back rule punishes waiting even inside the deadline. And the clock runs from the crash, not from discovery. Don't wait. Everything I mentioned is linked below, including the full written guide with sources. This is new lore for Figure Law.